Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you something truly special that is guaranteed to blow your mind. We are about to take a closer look at the world's most expensive motorhome, the all-new 2026 edition, a vehicle that redefines the meaning of luxury, technology, and performance on wheels. This is not just a motorhome, it is a futuristic rolling mansion designed for those who demand the very best. From the very first glance, the exterior captures your attention with its stunning golden finish and ultra-modern aerodynamic design. The sleek curves, futuristic LED lights, and massive custom alloy wheels make it look more like a concept supercar than an RV. Every line is sculpted to reflect both elegance and power, standing out as a true masterpiece in the world of automotive engineering. Moving to the interior, the story becomes even more unbelievable. Step inside and you are greeted with a space that feels like a private jet crossed with a five-star hotel suite. Plush leather seating, ambient LED lighting, handcrafted luxury details, and smart glass windows create an atmosphere of sophistication and comfort. Everything inside this motorhome is digitally connected, from the AI-controlled climate system to the high-tech entertainment screens and voice-controlled smart functions. There's even a master bedroom with a king-size bed, a fully equipped kitchen with premium appliances, and a luxurious spa-inspired bathroom, proving that this vehicle is built for both comfort and class during long journeys. But don't be fooled by its luxurious appearance alone, because the performance is equally impressive. Built with next-generation hybrid technology, this motorhome combines power with efficiency. Its advanced suspension system delivers a smooth ride no matter the terrain, while the intelligent driving assist ensures safety and convenience at every moment. Despite being massive, it drives with the agility of a luxury SUV, something unheard of in the world of RVs. Now let's talk about the part that makes headlines everywhere: the price. Owning the 2026 world's most expensive motorhome comes at an eye-watering cost of several $million. It's designed exclusively for billionaires and luxury enthusiasts who want nothing but the best, making it a rare gem on the road. This is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement, a blend of art, performance, and unmatched prestige. If you've ever dreamed of traveling the world in absolute style, this motorhome is the ultimate symbol of futuristic luxury travel.